Did you make a resolution for 2020? Well, the beginning of the year is a good time to review your family's financial situation, and that includes insurance. So here to discuss is our AAA insurance expert, Skylar McKinley. Thank you so much for being here. When it comes to insurance, what should people be thinking about as they review their policies?
So it's funny, people kind of have the wrong mindset when they get insurance. They buy it and then forget about it and hope they don't need it, right? But that can end up costing you, and it might cost you also in coverage, so you don't have the insurance you need. Just like you look at your financial well-being for the year, when it comes to insurance, look at the past year and think about what's changed in your life. Did you buy a new house? That one's easy. Did you get married? Did you have a kid? Did your home value go up in property? Did it go down? Did you buy a new car? Did you get a second car? Did your existing car get to the point where it's kind of a beater and you don't care what happens to it? All of this affects what happens with your insurance, and you need to really change your insurance policies to keep up. The more dynamic your insurance is, the better value you're getting, the more money you're going to save.
When you put it in those terms, it is a lot to think about. How can reviewing your policy save you a little bit of money?
I'll give you a simple example. Let's say you installed a security system on your home. These are more and more popular now. That can get you a discount. Let's say you got a second car, or you've changed cars and you want to combine your home and auto policies. That can save you a lot of money. Or you've reached the point in your earning where your net worth is high enough to warrant an umbrella coverage. The more you bring it all together, the more you simplify your insurance, the better value you get on each piece of insured property. So it's really worth taking that time and sitting down. It sounds daunting, it sounds kind of boring, but it's really worth doing.
Yeah, those policies can sometimes feel like novels. So what's the best way to kind of go through and review the policies?
I think of a lot like your taxes. We don't like doing our own taxes, and typically you get a bigger refund when you work with a certified tax preparer. The same thing goes for insurance. Work with a local agent, somebody who's going to basically interview you, take time to know your needs and what's changed in your life. They'll also know Colorado and what you might need for natural disaster coverage, that sort of thing. So find a local agent. We can help with that at AAA.com/insurance, and try to keep it local because they really know what's affecting our communities.
Sure. All right. Skylar McKinley, thank you,
Thanks.
and Happy New Year to you.
You too. Bye.